3, 2, 1.
Boop, boop, boop. Who? Who? Who?
What are you talking about?
What direction should I throw it?
But chuck it hard.
Okay. What are you talking about?
Actually throw it at me. It'll make a cool sound effect.
Okay, I'll throw it at you. Can I do it one more time?
You know where to hit. It literally hit my hand that was in front of my crotch.
I'm sorry.
He wants to take another practice shot. Alright, now what I want you to do the whole wind-up, like...
Wait, honestly, like, I'm sorry.
You hit the same spot on my hand again.
That's
You
my
keep literally going
aim.
with my
I'm sorry, I don't mean to.
Closer. Closer, Nos.
Yeah, like right, maybe a little further away. No, the other way.
Okay.
I'm just like, I'm not being like, hey, Nos, like I'm being like, hey, Mark. Okay, starts with me and Majira sitting on the couch.
You touched my hand.
Sorry. So the weather. You know.
It's sunny.
Oh, it's the sunny's here?
No, you asked for the weather.
Oh, I thought you meant sunny dingo. You got it? You got your line?
Yeah.
So I say, hey bud, what are you up to as you're walking on screen, okay?
Yeah, that's it. Not much, just trying not to be bored.
Yeah. And then you say,
Hey, I heard you didn't have a home.
Hey, I heard you didn't have a home.
goodbye, chippies!
Expect a fursuit from my lawyer. Okay, so this is one for 90s Australian kids. Hi, my name is Australian media personality Robe McManus. Like 2 people would get that, so don't put that in. There's no delay if you order now from hyenaagenda.com. Mouse pads, 0% off.
I'm trying to make a 0 with these paws, and it's like 0.
Oh.
I end up
what's
making
next?
like a creature. Hi, kids.
How? Howl.
What's going on?
And I said, hey, yeah.
Alright,
Okay, what else?
that's it.
What? I don't get to say more things.
No, you're just